This is a 2019 Kia Niro, and we're going to take apart the door panel because only on the passenger side the window switch no longer works. It'll roll down, but it won't roll up. Our first step is to remove this piece here. We have a sponger, or you want something soft. And this just pops off. And this piece had to come out because we're going to lift the whole door panel out and up. Also use a sponger or screwdriver to pry this piece out and this piece out here. And taking those covers out, exposed 2 Phillips head screws. Unscrew the screws. Now start at the bottom and just pry the door panel off. And lift it up and off. Push that little black lever in and then pull the whole unit out. We have to disconnect this connector. There's a little button here. Push in and wiggle it out. Make sure you have all your clips. Sometimes these clips stay on the car. They just slide back on, sort of pop in. Here's the actual window switch, and here is where the white plug came out. We're just removing all these screws. Pop it out. And here's our part. Here's a close-up of the barcode. And here's the other side. It's the door lock mechanism and the window switch. So we're going to take this apart. Just going to remove all these screws around here, and we're going to see if we can clean it up. And we have our pieces apart, and this is the one we're concerned with. We're taking out the center screw. Just pry it apart. You may have to use a flat tip. There's the inside. This is for the window, and this is for the lock. Here's a close-up of our switch circuit board. I've zoomed in on the switch. When you push down those white pieces, they both make a good clicky noise. Look at this side. See how one side, it's the contact, the copper wire is broke. It's so thin that it just didn't hang in there. You can look around and find this part on eBay or some other site. We got a new replacement part off of eBay. We've marked the old one with an X, so while we have them both off, we don't have any confusion. It's very easy to get the parts mixed up, then you waste a lot of time. The new part just slides in. There's 2 screws on each side that have to be screwed in. We're going to connect the cable from the door to the new module we installed. And there's a tab on this side, a little bit of a tab to help you out, and it's keyed.
Goes in first like that. It tilts down, and when it does, it snaps into place. You're done.
So the door hangs on the top, and then you slide it down. Push it down real good. Gotta pop all the plastic tabs back in. We're going to screw in the 2 screws in here and right there. Put your decorative pieces back in. This one snaps in. You'll see the grooves there, and this just lays in there. Now the window goes down and up. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.